Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice desert sand coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Outer Banks tech package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, got that backup camera. We do get a lift glass on this as well. Allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can just leave it open for some extra air. Totally up to you. We got roof rails with the nice Outer Banks logo right here. Side view camera with blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, we have front park sensing. We do get some nice front view camera and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got a 12-volt lights, hooks and doodads, storage cubbies. We do even get a nice little liftgate light as well. Storage cubbies on this side with tons of storage below as well. And you can collapse that row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather, and brown cloth interior with plenty of door space in the back. Carpeted interior, you got rear vents, USB-Cs, we got little cubby holes on each side of this front seats, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional Bronco logo. Plenty of door space up front with the B&O Sound System, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 18.2 kilometers. We do have this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with the toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, little Bronco logo, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, Bronco information, navigation, phone, audio, and settings. With your digital speedometer, you do get your gear select, parking brake, auto hold, goat modes, cup holders, wireless charging pad with a 12-volt, USB, USB-C, leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. You got your engine start, auto stop, auto start, max temp, hazards, traction, park assist, and clicking here we do get a 360 view of your vehicle with your volume just right there. Got your storage below, we got storage above with USB-Cs, and we do have our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. We do get dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel. And going home real quick, we got that nice 13.2-inch touchscreen, which is new to the Bronco Sport models for 2025. We do get our navigation, little widgets on the side, your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your features of the vehicle as well, driving assist, towing, owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE38515, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.